If you're looking for a conveniently located hotel in Siena that's walking distance to all the major sites, then this hotel review of me staying at NH Hotels and Resorts in Siena could be the right hotel for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on our road trip through Italy, we stayed in Siena at NH Hotels. We chose this hotel because it was conveniently located to many sites that were walking distance, and we also needed a hotel that was just outside the ZTL zone as we were road tripping. And this hotel ticked a lot of boxes. We could walk to every single site in the old town of Siena, including plenty of restaurants, and free public parking was only a short walk away. When we arrived at the hotel, it was a quick check-in process before we were showed straight up to our room. We were staying in a superior room with a balcony for 2 nights, which cost us €235. First impressions of the room was really good. I thought it would be a little bit more dated than it was, so that's always a nice surprise. The bathroom was nice and clean. There was a hairdryer and a couple of additional toiletries as well, which is always helpful if you've forgotten anything. And the shower was nice and spacious. And just like most Italian toilets, they had a bidet. Across from the bathroom was a small cupboard, which had a safe and some hangers. And next to the cupboard was a mini bar, which was stocked with a few extra drinks that were an additional fee. The room had a large king-size bed, and I can tell you it was definitely comfortable. And next to the bed there were power points with USB plugs. And it wouldn't be an Italian room without a coffee machine in your room where you can make an espresso. We arrived quite late, so we couldn't see any views from our room, but when we woke up, I headed straight for our balcony, which had an incredible view of Siena. The hotel also offers breakfast as well. If your room doesn't include breakfast in the rate, you can actually purchase it in the morning if you decide last minute you want breakfast. I had all the usuals for breakfast, including eggs, pastries, and all the Italian cold meats that you'd expect. Along with this, the hotel actually had an on-site gym too, and there was plenty of good equipment there as well. We spent 2 nights at NH Hotels in Siena and absolutely loved it. This was at the start of our Italian road trip, and it definitely set the bar high, especially with its convenient location and being walking distance to everything. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at NH Hotels. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.